OneVision considers itself a visual communications company. We allow people to communicate through video from the desktop level, small meeting room, boardroom, auditorium, classroom space, servicing a variety of verticals. As we started OneVision Solutions in 2004, it quickly became apparent that our business was growing, our business model was working.
We also realized the ERP system is a must. We had two choices at that point. It was either do the small system, but we realized that would only serve us for maybe 2 to 3 years, and also start looking at on-demand systems like SAP.
Having a database, having an accounting system with sophistication, the way that we ran our model was absolutely necessary. And that started the search for a new way of looking at our business in terms of our accounting systems and our CRM. And that's where we found SAP ByDesign.
More of the financial challenges that the company faced were around the true visibility into what the profitability was at the individual product level, verticals, or the regions of the business, not to mention even the customers. We really didn't have very good control over a drop-ship model, which is what our business is based on. We had to use the inventory approach within QuickBooks. So with that being the case, the margins were off at the individual level of the business. So what we had to do was look for an opportunity that was going to allow us to dig deeper, look at the data from more of a three-dimensional approach.
Having the information on your fingertips at any point in the time is extremely important to see we need to change here or we need to add people there. Looking where you've been, what segment's been profitable for us. Based on historical data, at least you can predict a little bit of the future. Those kind of information we never had before, and it's been very valuable for us right now.
Using a software as a service solution was very appeasable to OneVision Solutions for the simple reason that we wanted to focus on our core competency. We don't have an IT department, and we don't want to have an IT department. We can keep our overhead down and continue to grow the way we do.
SAP Business ByDesign really gives us a tremendous amount of flexibility. I like the modular aspect of it, the way that it can grow and grow in time, and the fact that it does reduce the amount of overhead that we have to have in terms of servers, IT people. There's obviously a cost savings there, and it's also something that's very scalable, and it looks to be very, very replicable.
We're actually more able to slice and dice information from the detail level all the way up to a dashboard viewpoint. And we're working great strides right now towards benchmarking our business and understanding better where we need to be focusing towards the future.
Our decision to go with SAP ByDesign was a little bit of a leap of faith at the time. Most people would have told us, well, that's way too big of a system for where you are in life as an organization. We chose to have a more forward-looking view of the world, and we're very glad today that we did.